V. Woods of MySalonScoop.com, here with my second of 5 Ultra Beauty Matchmaker tips about how to find a great new hairstylist. Today's tip is pick a hairstylist that actually values continued education. Now, if you ask your stylist a question about when was the last time they went to a hair care seminar and they tell you that Tupac was alive or Bill Clinton was president, then you know you're in trouble. Because today, to be a credible professional in the salon industry, you really need to continue your education in both business and hair care techniques. If they tell you something like, well, I don't go to shows because nothing has really changed, you know that's simply not true. You know from the information that you receive that there has been a lot of innovation in terms of products, equipment, even hair care techniques in the last 10 years. So if you value healthy hair, which I know you do, you want to go to a salon and a stylist that can support you in all the latest services to help you on your hair journey. To be clear, this has nothing to do with the age of the stylist. I've worked with plenty of stylists in their 60s that were quite progressive about hair care. On the other end, I've worked with stylists in their 30s that were less than visionary about treatment of healthy hair today. So the bottom line is, for a cosmetologist, the training does not end at beauty school. They really need to continue their education to continue to really hone their craft. Better yet, you want to go to a stylist that actually is trained to teach other stylists about how to keep up with the latest skills. So that's my tip for today about how to find a great new hairstylist. Again, I'm V. Woods of MySalonScoop.com. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll let you know when our next video is published.